myself Riri, aka Rita, whatever you want to call me. But tonight is Saturday and I am having a drink. Alright, and I'm doing an unboxing for liquidation.com. And I'm excited to see what's in here because it's cosmetics and it's 800 pieces, no, 500 pieces. What up? I think it's 800 pieces. Yes, it's 800 pieces. So, let me get to the unboxing. And I'm so excited to see what's in here because it's very heavy. I hope it's a lot of pallets because I've been selling pallets on FBA very fast. And also I want to give a review for that B-Stock box that I bought in my last video because I don't know if I ever gonna use them again. So let's get to this unboxing. I really don't, like selling eyelashes, but I guess these I love selling. These have good comps, so I'm loving that. I had to check that one. These have good comps. Good comps. Good comps. And everything is sealed. No fingerprint in it. These, this one don't look sealed. Or it may not have a seal. I don't know, but these are good comps. Now this, I don't know about. Because usually FBA, these don't be good comps. But I could line them up because I see I have a whole lot. And that's what these liquidation places be doing. They putting a whole lot of crap in there to get their limits up, but hey, it is what it is. I just hope it turned out is better than B-Stock because whew, B-Stock, that was a mess. But I'll tell you all about it later on in the video. Right now, we're doing the unboxing. Okay, so these are good. I'm loving that I'm seeing those things. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Because I went to a liquidation store and got some stuff. Well, I couldn't find really nothing in that liquidation store. Nothing. But they had name brand makeup and it was $1 each. So I loaded up. And I was the only person over there. That man was looking at me like I was half crazy. But I was just checking comps and minding my business. That's the thing about reselling, man. Once I got really hooked on reselling, the best thing was checking comps and finding, treasures like everybody else do. But the best thing was people always think I'm working at a store, and I'll be like, no, I don't work here. But when you own your own business and you're the only person working in your business, it really gets lonely, I feel. Because you just listen, doing this, that. So when you do go out, you're like, hey, what's up? When I used to work, I was very talkative. I'm a very talkative person already. Just, run my mouth and everything. Don't give a fuck what I say. Excuse my French. I hope no kids is watching. But, I used to just be kicking it, killing time at the job. Okay, so this one looked like it was melted or something. I don't know. But it's missing the whole thing. But everything else looked good. It's all sealed and stuff. But I like these colors. These are really good. Y'all saw them, so y'all can check those comps. You can't buy it at like the drugstores for a good price, but liquidation, they always have them. I always see them. These, I don't know. Hope I make my money back off of those palettes, because this is the only thing I see good. And they gave me a lot of them. So I'm happy about that. And also when I was editing that last video, man, let me tell you, y'all YouTube people be working. I see when y'all get a lot of money, y'all buy your own like editor and stuff. And I don't blame you, because it took me a long time to figure it out. And you already see it even come out like it should be. These are discontinued. I hope they said. Oh, okay, I see something that's really good. Now this is really good. I don't want to show y'all the name, but y'all may run it out, but this is good. That's a really good, yeah, especially for FBA. I always look for that. Okay, so, I'm kind of happy with it. It's a lot of stuff in here. A whole lot of stuff. I know I had a fun time listening to it. Psych. Okay, so, I don't know. I don't like these lashes. But I can probably lock the lashes up and put it on Poshmark or Bakari or something. Because they'll buy it if it's lighted up for a good price. Okay, I'm loving this stuff right here. I don't know. They doing right now. They doing better than B-Stock. I tell you that. B-Stock stuff looked good, but one thing I'm gonna tell you at the end in the review I'm giving them, because they didn't even answer my email. I'm not gonna say everything because I do have to think about the seller. You know, because I'm a seller. You know, it can be a mistake or whatever. And I give people a break like that, but I don't know. I don't think they got my business. So again. But I can light it up and I'll put it on Facebook Marketplace or what is it called? OfferUp. Or next door app, one of those. Okay, these things I don't know. I have to check them and see. I know they be in the dollar store, so I'm not thrilled to see those. Okay, this, and most of it's only 2 or 3 brands in this lot. That's the reason why I got it. But these is not even covered correctly, and one of them to sell, but they look pretty good. I know I'm taking one for myself. Ooh. It's a good one, but they not sealed. I don't know. If they buy them like that or whatever, but I try to sell them. If they don't sell, I guess they gonna be donated or something, or sell at the yard sale next summer. Alright, so I'm seeing pretty much the same thing. These, I love them. These, that's one thing I love. And this right here, this is another thing I love. These right here can probably be lighted up. What is these? Oh, it's face gems, body stencils, face gems. Okay. I don't know. I hope people into it. I like it. And my son helped me in the photos. He was supposed to help me with the video on. He is the assistant owner of this business, but he don't want to help me. He's like, man, I'm corny as hell. But that's okay. That's my baby. As long as he's doing good in school, that's all that matters. Once he stops doing good at school, then he's gonna hear from me. So this is good, especially these colors. This is always good, these colors. Makeup is really good in reselling. I was like, I always overlook makeup, but makeup is really good in reselling. Because my palette that I got during the pandemic with Wholesale Ninjas, I can't even pronounce it, Wholesale Ninja. I'm trying to speak better in these videos, but anyways, y'all know what I mean. If y'all don't, put it down in the comments. I'm not going to elaborate on what I mean. But Wholesale Ninjas, I had got a palette of makeup during the pandemic, and I really flipped and tripled my money with it. And I was so scared with that palette because that was my first time getting a palette, and then I'm like, man, with some eyebrows. But I don't know how to do makeup, period. It takes too long to do. And also, I be trying to have a good time. At the end of the party, all my makeup usually be all looking crazy all over my face anyway. So I just try to keep my skin up. Just try to take care of my skin. And that's it. And it's hard to do. So these are good. Really, really good. Okay. And my son in the room laughing at me playing the video game, but that's okay. That is okay. I know I might keep this one of these for myself because I love these things. I love the looks. One thing I do. Gotta keep them lips right. Okay, so basically, I don't know. Let me tell you how much I paid for this box. Okay, so this was liquidation.com. I paid a total of $524.98. I won the auction, $390. The premium fee is $31.20. The shipping was $69.43. Sales tax $34. Came to a total of $524.98. No, I don't know. I got to count this out. That's all I got to say. Count it out. So, I like these palettes. I think these palettes are really good because I got a lot of makeup and those things get so quick. Really quick. I mean, if I did wear makeup, I would buy it from like Amazon and eBay and stuff like that because it's much cheaper than going to Ulta and Sephora and MAC. Because I used to like MAC lipstick, and I saw some very good prices on eBay for a MAC lipstick. But I got so much, so stuff I don't even use. I used to just buy. That's the younger me. Alright. So I'm loving everything I see. Pump it up and everything. Just look, and all the seals in place. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Only thing about these videos too is, I mean, I don't know. That's the reason why I decided to drink tonight too, because I want to be talking. I don't know. I just don't want to be pulling shit out thoughts. And then sometimes I be just like heavy thinking of what I'm gonna say or whatever. You know, when you're a little tipsy, you'll figure out something to say. No matter if it sounds good or what. So, hello, I'm back, and I had to put my hair down because I took a glimpse at the last video and my hair looked so crazy. But I love my dreads. Alright, so I empty out the box. Bing, bing. And I love it. Honestly, I can't wait to list it. It was an excellent choice from liquidation.com. And I can't wait to list it. You know how that is. But also, I'm sitting here looking at Drink Champs. If y'all don't know about Drink Champs, go to YouTube, type in Drink Champs. It's one of my favorite shows. And DJ Khaled is on there, and he's saying some great stuff. What he's saying is he always been himself. He always worked hard, and that's the name of the game, right there. I mean, that is the name of the game. Just working hard, always be yourself. Always be consistent, be disciplined. Discipline is that's my favorite word right now. Being disciplined will set your business up from A to Z, period. Okay, so also it was 500 pieces, and each piece that come out to 95 cents each. So I mean, I can't wait to list it. There's some items in here for $25 and $12 and whew, that was a blessing. But I have to add in the cost if I don't sell that other box from B stock into this, because that's how I do things. I mean, you have to put it all together and see if it makes sense. But let me give this B stock review right quick. B stock, I had to wait to get on here, first of all. I mean, the next time, if I do buy from B stock, I will buy from a company. That's all I'm going to say. This was from a private seller. So they also have Target and Walmart and all those companies on there. I think I should have started with a company first. But I really think this stuff is counterfeit. And the reason why I think it's counterfeit is because the UPC label had a sticker with a fake UPC label on it. And I found misspelled words on the box. So that's always an indication that's counterfeit. So I emailed them. They had to email me back. Now, me, I might have to take it to BBB. I don't know. But I will let y'all know in some future videos how that goes. But I'm going to do all my due diligence before I even take it that far. So I think the next time I will deal with a company, and then when I deal with a company, I can say, but this from liquidation.com, okay, that's where it's at. But anyways, yeah, DJ Khaled. One thing about DJ Khaled, at first when he first came out, I was digging it. But I heard myself keep on repeating the stuff that he makes up, like we's the best and all that. He said words that you always repeat. And I say, hey, see, that's the part of marketing. You get people to boop 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 and start repeating stuff they say. Hey. So I started liking DJ Khaled. He's a good rapper, producer, whatever he is. He good at what he do. He is one of the goats. So, peace.